We recently settled a workers' compensation case on behalf of a young man who was standing on the top of the back of his truck, pulling a cover over the top of the truck, and fell from the top of the truck. Now, this was not just a fall from the bed of the truck, but it was from a fall from the top of the truck. So it was probably a 25 foot drop to the pavement. This young man was a professional truck driver, and he worked for a company who started a system in which they claimed that all of their truck drivers were independent contractors. The truck was placed in the name of our client, and the company pretended that this young man was in business for himself. The truth of the matter was, he was a truck driver employed full-time by this company, but because of that legal technicality that they sought to impose upon this young man, they denied his claim when he was injured. He was very seriously injured from this fall, was out of work for several years, and the insurance company refused to pay him a dime because they said he was an independent contractor and therefore was not an employee, and that they were not liable to pay his workers' compensation benefits. Now, this young man went to several lawyers who specialize in workers' compensation, and they all turned his case down. They told him he did not have a case. Well, we just didn't think that was fair. So we went into the Industrial Commission for him and prosecuted his claim. And we were able to show the Industrial Commission that this young man was not an independent contractor. His employer controlled virtually every aspect of the operation of his truck. Even though technically the truck was titled in his name, he did not haul for anyone else. He did not, the employer prevented him from having other drivers. So he was in fact and in truth an employee. And the Industrial Commission saw that that was the case. And after they ruled in his favor, we reached a very favorable settlement on behalf of this young man. Now it looks like that with the money that he will receive from his workers' compensation settlement, that he'll be able to retrain himself and go back to work and feed his family and lead a very productive life.